Welcome back to Saas Beast Pro. In this video, we're diving into 7 hidden zoom features for Windows. Look professional, showing you smart, underrated tools that instantly upgrade your on-camera presence for meetings, interviews, and presentations. Now let's get started. Number 1. Enable studio effects for professional lighting. Lighting shapes first impressions on video, and this feature helps you look sharp, clear, and evenly lit, no matter where you're working from. It reduces harsh shadows, boosts visibility, and gives you a polished studio-style appearance without buying extra lighting gear. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Sign into the Zoom desktop app on your Windows PC to unlock all advanced video and appearance settings. Step 2. Click your profile picture in the top right corner, then choose Settings to open Zoom's full configuration panel. Step 3. From the left-hand menu, select Video and Effects or Video, depending on the version of Zoom you're using. Step 4. Scroll to the Camera or My Video section and locate the Adjust for Low Light option designed to enhance visibility. Step 5. Turn the feature on. Keep it set to Auto for automatic correction, or switch to Manual and use the brightness slider to fine-tune your lighting for a more professional, balanced on-screen look. Number 2. Configure background. Noise suppression levels. Clean audio is silent confidence. This feature strips distractions, sharpens your voice, and makes every Zoom call feel studio polished, helping you sound focused, professional, and in control. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the Zoom desktop app on your Windows PC to access all audio controls directly from the source. Step 2. Click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings to open Zoom's configuration panel. Step 3. Go to the Audio tab where Zoom houses all microphone and sound enhancement options. Step 4. Under Microphone Modes, keep noise removal selected as the default for balanced clarity. Step 5. Open the Background Noise Suppression drop-down and choose Auto for adaptive control, Low for preserving background music, or High for eliminating keyboard clicks and fan noise. Step 6. Enable personalized audio isolation if available, allowing Zoom to train an AI voice print that locks onto your voice for next-level sound quality. Step 7. If prompted, download the audio enhancement package once to unlock smoother, more accurate noise suppression performance. Number 3. Master multi-speaker view for better focus. This feature sharpens attention during group discussions by balancing visibility across active speakers. It keeps meetings visually organized, helping you track conversations clearly and look more professional on Zoom without constant layout changes. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Update your Zoom desktop app to version 6.0 or later to access modern layout controls and improve performance. This ensures the feature appears correctly. Step 2. Start or join a Zoom meeting with at least 5 participants so the multi-speaker layout becomes available. Smaller meetings won't trigger this option. Step 3. Click the View button in the top right corner of the meeting window to open Display Settings. This is where Zoom hides its advanced layouts. Step 4. Select the multi-speaker layout from the drop-down to evenly spotlight multiple speakers. This keeps everyone visually balanced and easier to follow. Number 4. Enable Touch Up My Appearance. Filters. This hidden Zoom feature gently refines your on-camera look, helping you appear clean, confident, and professional without heavy editing. It ensures you show up polished while keeping attention locked on what you're saying, not how you look. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the Zoom desktop app. Click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings to access all customization options. Step 2. Inside the Settings window, choose the Video and Effects tab from the left-hand menu to manage your camera appearance. Step 3. Under the Camera section, find the Touch Up My Appearance option designed to smooth skin tones subtly. Step 4. Click the toggle to turn it on. Once it turns blue, the feature is active and applied instantly. Step 5. Adjust the intensity slider to fine-tune the effect, keeping it natural while previewing changes live on your video feed. Number 5. Set up a branded virtual background. Using a branded virtual background helps you look professional and reinforces your personal or company brand during meetings. It creates a polished, consistent visual presence that leaves a lasting impression, making you instantly more credible and memorable to colleagues or clients. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Zoom and join a meeting to access your video settings, ensuring your camera is active. Step 2. Click the up arrow next to the Stop Video button to reveal additional video options. Step 3. Select Adjust Background and Effects from the drop-down menu. Step 4. In the panel that opens, click the plus icon and choose Add Image to upload your branded background. Step 5. Locate and select your saved branded image, and Zoom will automatically set it as your virtual background, giving your video a professional, polished look. Step 6. Adjust your position or lighting if needed to make sure your background looks natural and clear on camera. Number 6. Hold Spacebar to unmute yourself instantly. This feature lets you speak without fumbling with the mute button, keeping your meetings smooth and professional. It's perfect for quick comments or interjections without disrupting the flow. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Join a Zoom meeting using the desktop client and make sure your microphone is muted. The icon should show a red slash. Step 2. Press and hold the spacebar on your keyboard to temporarily unmute yourself. A notification will appear confirming temporarily unmuted. Step 3. Speak while holding the spacebar, then release it to automatically return to a muted state, keeping your meeting seamless and interruption-free. Number 7. Use PowerPoint as a virtual background. This feature lets you present slides seamlessly while keeping your video visible, making meetings more engaging and professional. It's perfect for presentations without switching screens. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Start or join a Zoom meeting as usual to get your session ready for sharing. Step 2. Click the green Share Screen button in the Meeting Controls toolbar to open the sharing options. Step 3. Go to the Advanced tab in the sharing window to access special sharing features. Step 4. Select PowerPoint as virtual background or Slides as virtual background and click Share to activate it. Step 5. Browse your computer for your PowerPoint file, select it, and click Open to display it behind you while you present. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips.